Today, I want to discuss something very, very important, and it's probably the number one mistake made by the American consumers, and that is the collections. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Trusted Credit Repair YouTube channel. My name is Dennis. A lot of clients that come to us always ask me is, how do I pay off the collection and what's going to happen? Is it going to go off my credit report? Well, here's what really happens, okay? A collection agency is trying to collect money from you by harassing you and calling you all the time. And obviously, when you don't pay your bill and it ends up in a collection, it will reflect as a negative item on your credit report. The number one misconception made by the consumers today is, if I pay off my collection, that collection is going to be deleted from my credit report. That is absolutely false. Reason being is a paid collection is you admitting to owning the debt, and instead of going away from your credit report, it goes from an unpaid status to a paid collection, which will remain in your credit report for up to 7 years. Now, what do you do about that? What is the solution? You try to get in touch with your creditor or the collection agency, and you try to make a deal with them. Most of them are in a business to collect the money. So try to negotiate. You try to offer them 50% in exchange for deletion of your credit report. Okay, what do I mean by that? Never, ever, ever give them any money unless they provide you with a written statement, whether it comes by email or a hard letter document, stating that they're willing to remove the collection off your credit report. If they decide not to do that, if they tell you no, most likely, even if you pay it, it's not gonna go away. It's gonna remain on your credit report. So what's another solution? Another solution is to call us and let us handle it. What we do here at Trusted Credit Repair is we use a simple process of verification. We will contact the credit bureau, and we're going to make sure that the information that's being reported on your credit report is 100% accurate. We use 2 acts of Congress, and we force these bureaus to verify the information within a given time of 30 days. That is by law what they're supposed to respond to us by, and if they don't, by law, they have to remove the collection off the credit report. It doesn't always work that way, but we try very hardest to try to get it off the report. That's about it for today. My name is Dennis from Trusted Credit Repair. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the little subscribe button below, hit the notification bell below to stay up to date with the latest videos coming from Trusted Credit Repair. Thank you and have a great day.